To disable Google Voice Assistant on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Find Assistant by swiping the screen to the left or to the right. Or you can quickly find it by typing its name on the search bar. Long tap Assistant icon and then select Setting. Tap Hey Google and Voice Match. And then tap the blue on off switch next to Hey Google until the switch turns green to turn it off. By disabling this option, now your phone will not invoke Google Assistant when you say OK Google or Hey Google. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.